Crash course on Netherlands. An overview, highlights. Planning a trip to the Netherlands? Here's a crash course on practical travel tips, itinerary suggestions, and budget-friendly options to help you make the most of your visit to this captivating country. From interesting stories to inspire you to top attractions that should not be missed, this guide will assist you in exploring the highlights of the Netherlands while keeping your budget in mind. Interesting stories and examples. 1. The Tulip Mania. In the 17th century, the Netherlands experienced a Tulip Mania, where the value of tulip bulbs skyrocketed, reaching extraordinary prices. The love for tulips remains strong, and the country is famous for its vibrant tulip fields and the world-renowned Keukenhof Gardens. 2. Windmills. The iconic windmills of the Netherlands are not just picturesque landmarks but also an important part of the country's history. They were used for various purposes, including milling grain, sawing timber, and pumping water. The Kinderdijk windmills, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, are a prime example of the country's windmill heritage. 3. Bicycling culture. The Netherlands is renowned for its extensive cycling infrastructure and biking culture. With dedicated bike lanes and a flat landscape, cycling is a popular and convenient way to explore the cities and countryside. Join the locals and rent a bike to experience the country like a true Dutch. Top 12 attractions of travel tips and itineraries. 1. Amsterdam. Start your journey in the vibrant capital city of Amsterdam, known for its picturesque canals, historic architecture, world-class museums such as the Rijksmuseum and the Van Gogh Museum, and the famous Anne Frank House. 2. Keukenhof Gardens. Immerse yourself in a kaleidoscope of colors at the Keukenhof Gardens, where millions of tulips and other vibrant flowers create a stunning display. 3. The Hague. Visit the political and administrative capital of the Netherlands, home to the Dutch government, international organizations, and iconic landmarks such as the Peace Palace and the Mauritshuis Museum. 4. Rotterdam. Explore the modern and dynamic city of Rotterdam, known for its futuristic architecture, bustling markets, and the iconic Erasmus Bridge. 5. Delft. Discover the charming city of Delft, famous for its traditional blue and white pottery, historic canals, and the magnificent Gothic-style New Kerk. 6. Utrecht. Explore the lively city of Utrecht, with its picturesque canals, medieval architecture, and the stunning Dom Tower, offering panoramic views of the city. 7. Zandschans. Step back in time at the Zandschans, an open-air museum that showcases traditional Dutch windmills, wooden houses, and artisanal crafts. 8. Haarlem. Visit the historic city of Haarlem, with its well-preserved medieval center, beautiful churches, and world-class art museums, including the Frans Hals Museum. 9. Maastricht. Experience the unique blend of Dutch and European cultures in the southern city of Maastricht, known for its historic buildings, vibrant squares, and lively café culture. 10. Groningen. Explore the vibrant student city of Groningen, with its youthful energy, lively nightlife, and charming canal-side streets. 11. The Hoge Veluwe National Park. Immerse yourself in nature at the Hoge Veluwe National Park, where you can cycle or hike through beautiful landscapes, visit the Kroller-Muller Museum, and spot wildlife. 12. Frisian Islands. Venture to the Frisian Islands, a chain of picturesque islands along the North Sea coast, offering stunning beaches, unique nature reserves, and charming seaside villages. Summarizing this writing, the Netherlands offers a wealth of experiences, from exploring the historic streets of Amsterdam to witnessing the vibrant colors of the Keukenhof Gardens. By following practical travel tips, such as renting a bike and visiting budget-friendly attractions, you can make the most of your journey through this charming country. Let the interesting stories and top attractions inspire you to create a memorable adventure in the Netherlands. Now, let's end this crash course on the Netherlands with a poem. In the Netherlands, a land to explore. With canals and windmills, stories galore. Tulip fields blooming in vibrant array. Cycling through cities, the Dutch way. Amsterdam's canals, a picturesque sight. Keukenhof Gardens, flowers so bright. The Hague's grandeur, politics in its stride. Rotterdam's skyline, modernity with pride. Delft's pottery, a blue and white hue. Utrecht's canals, history shining through. Zandschan's windmills, a timeless tale. Haarlem's art, masterpieces unveil. Maastricht's blend of cultures, a harmonious blend. Groningen's energy, youthfulness to send. Hoge Veluwe's nature, serene and grand. Frisian Islands' beauty, the coast's enchanting strand. Travel tips and itineraries, a guide in hand. Discovering the Netherlands, a captivating land. With practicality and highlights combined. A journey through the Netherlands, beautifully designed. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our NHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.